Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Vihaari channel. Today I will explain how to download PGCET Hall Ticket 2025. Go to any browser and type PGCET 2025. Enter. You will get this link. Click on it. No worries, I will be providing all these links in the description. Like PGCET 2025 Postgraduate Engineering Common Entrance Test conducted by Andhra University. This is the official page of PGCET 2025. Here is the download hall ticket button. Click on it. Yeah, this is the application form. Like download hall ticket for PGCET 2025. You need to enter a registration number. It will be in the application form of your PGCET application. Qualifying examination hall ticket number, your previous hall ticket number. Like in the M.Tech, you will be having hall ticket number, right? Use that. Date of birth, you need to choose a date of birth here. Then exam paper for entrance, you need to choose your exam paper here. Then download hall ticket, you will get this kind of hall ticket. In this hall ticket, check all your details correctly printed or not. Subject code, CS Computer Science and Engineering, okay. Then registration number, candidate name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, address, and your exam centers. Read all the important instructions to the candidate here. They mentioned all the instructions here. Read all the instructions. This is the process of downloading PGCET 2025 hall ticket. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates.